This is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to easily invite people to your party chat. And you can do this multiple different ways. So you can press the PlayStation button and then scroll on down. You can go to the game base and you can go to your friend. And what you could do is simply just select their name and then go to the party chat symbol. So let's just choose this person. And then right here in the top left you can see where it says start party. If I select this, I'm going to go and start a party with that specific person. Otherwise, when you do start up a party, you have this option underneath that says invite players. You can choose this as well when you have a party chat already created. And then you can choose a group, or you can go on over to your friends list and invite someone based off of that, or to the play together section. And then you can go on down and invite them to that specific party as well. So once you have a party created, you can easily invite people to it. I'll show you how to easily create a party. Just go on down to this little symbol right here under game base, and then you can go to parties, go to the right and go to start party. You can do an open party or a closed party. Let's just do a closed party. Then I'm leaving my party here, and then top left, invite players. Go to your friend's name, invite them, and you should be good. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.